What's poppin', gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what are you doing? Have you hit that subscribe button? That's, that big red subscribe button. You did? Okay, girl. Welcome to the gang then. Jumping right into this video, I'm about to show y'all how to slay this wig. So before putting on this glue, make sure you wipe your forehead with an alcohol wipe. Then go ahead and get your wig glue and put it on just like how you see I'm putting it on. A nice even layer with the popsicle stick to smooth it out. Get a nice even layer of that glue on our wig cap. We going in with the blow dryer and we making sure it's all clear. We getting it dry till it's completely clear. Okay, now once it's clear, we're gonna take that got to be glue and we're gonna spray that all over like the wig cap. Now I don't really know what that step is for, but it's important, so don't mix it. Now with my concealer in the shade of Fawn, I'm going in and I'm putting that all over my bald cap. Now what you want to do is make sure you put a shade that's darker than your skin tone color onto that bald cap, but I could not find my dark concealer, so I had to actually go back and fix it. So make sure you put a dark shade of foundation or concealer on that wig cap because it will lighten up. Now after you put that makeup on there, you go back in with that got to be glue and you spray it. I was struggling because it wasn't no more. Girl, I've been using this, okay? I done had this bottle for a long time and she just been lasting. But she done gave out today. She done lost her life. She said, bitch, if you don't put me in the motherfucking casket. And bow, a ta-da. Now we about to cut that boy lace with this razor, as so. I'm using an eyebrow razor, the same eyebrow razor that I used to do my extra eyebrows. But y'all can use some scissors too, that'll work just as fine. For some reason, it got glued to my ear, so I just cut it a little bit around my ear and then tucked the rest of the cap back. You see how I did that? And then with the excess cap, I am tying it back into a knot and wiping my forehead down with this alcohol wipe just to get all the excess makeup up off my forehead. Now here we are with this lace wig. This is a 13x4. I think this is 18 inches a wig. Okay, period. And it's a HD lace. Can't you tell? Like, now pushing that wig back. I gotta peel back. Anyways, pushing that wig back, we're gonna go in with our lace glue and we're gonna dab some all over our hairline. Now with our popsicle stick, we're just going to smooth out that wig. If you have a ring light or a bright light, I would suggest using that so you can really see that hairline. But yeah, going in with my purple comb, I'm just combing and pressing that hair into the glue. Now I have on my elastic band over that lace and I'm going ahead and styling my hair. I am doing me some China bangs and I'm going to try to do like a wolf cut for y'all real quick. This is really like a quick hairstyle because I was getting ready to go somewhere and I was already late. Now here I'm going in with my eyebrow razors, and I'm giving the end of my wig just a little trim to get a feel of how to use that and how to cut my hair while I was waiting for my elastic band to come off, because you need to have that on your head for at least 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, so after it has been 20 minutes, I'm taking that excess lace in my eyebrow razor and I'm just cutting that lace off while holding the extra lace to pull it to see what actually needs to be cut off. Don't worry if the hair comes off the lace while you're cutting the lace. That happens, so don't like stress yourself. You're not gonna be bald in that area if a little bit of hair comes off. Just keep cutting that lace where it's not glued down. And then with a Q-tip, I'm taking some alcohol and I'm rubbing that excess glue and makeup off my forehead. Now at this step, I will get my darker concealer and I will put it on that lace to blend it better. But I'm doing China bangs, so I don't have to worry about all that. Now taking a section of hair that I had pre-parted out, I am going to comb it out and make sure that's exactly the spot where I want my bangs. And then now I'm twisting it up and I'm taking my little hair shear scissors and I'm cutting it like downwards in a downwards angle. You don't want to cut it upwards because then you're going to look dumb. So yeah, now I'm taking my flat irons and I'm putting a little bump in that crunk. No, for real. But look, so when you first cut your bangs, you want them to be longer rather than shorter because you want to know, like, you know, you want it to be perfect. So make sure you cut longer before you cut it short, so you can do just like this, grab them and like size it up to your eyes, because you want the bangs to fall like right like on top of your eyes. You know, you don't want them on top of your, sitting on top of your eyebrows or above your eyeballs. I personally like mine's a little longer because I do put a bump in the China bang, so I like them longer, and I like them to like wisp over my eyes. Like, I damn near don't want nobody to see my eyes with my bangs. That's how I like my bangs. So now with this hair, I'm starting off in small sections and I'm raising that first piece of hair like right below my chin and going down in a downwards motion. And then I'm going to keep doing that in each section to get like an even slanted cut in the hair. Ooh, is that what it's called, y'all? I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so my eyebrow razors broke on me, so now I'm using my hair shears, and these actually work way easier, but it is much easier to actually cut the hair, so I would say be careful and take your time. Okay, so now after I'm done going into sections, I'm going to take sections from like the top of my hair, just as so, and I'm going to keep going down in the downwards motion. That's how you get like the layers in your hair for the wolf cut, instead of putting your hair in a ponytail and doing a bunch of bullshit that you see on TikTok. This is how like you get the regular layers in your hair. Now for this bang, I'm taking just a little bit, and I'm dapping that wax stick on them flyaways on my bangs just to lay it down. So I guess I wasn't really happy with these China bangs, so I went back in with my shears and my flat irons, and I'm bumping the China bangs one more time, and then I'm going to go back in and give it another trim. It's okay if this takes you some time, because it definitely took me some time to get these bangs perfect, but it was worth it because this is like literally the most important part of the hairstyle. For real, this is what everybody look at first. Now that I am done with those bangs, I'm going in with this curling iron wand, and I'm putting some curls all in this hair. So I got half through using the wand curler, and I noticed like the curls was just dropping. So I'm going in with my flat irons on 360, or is that 390? I'm not sure. I think it's 360 though. And I'm holding the flat iron on the curl for about 25 to 30 seconds. I'm making sure to run the flat iron past the hair once and then curl away from my hair on both sides. Make sure you're curling the hair away from your face rather than towards your face. So curl away from your face on both sides. If that's kind of hard to do, like once you get towards the back because you don't know which direction to go in, I would say split your hair into half and then just go from there, or just split a piece from the back and then curl in different directions every curl, just to get that volume in the back as well. Quick tip, y'all, curl the front of y'all hair, the front pieces last, because them will be the first curls to drop, period. Listen to me. And take your time. Don't be in a rush like me and curling big pieces. Curl in small sections so it'll be right. Like, what? So I know y'all gonna be mad at me because my storage ran out, but this is the last curl, and this is how the hairstyle came out. I did go and cut this wolf cut into like a bob wolf cut, and you see how those curls came out while I was getting dressed. So do curl those fast. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss another post.